Are we on? Yes, it says excellent connection. Great. So let's get cracking. So let's start from Figma first. I have been designing in secrecy, so I have some updates which I'm gonna present before we start with editor. And I'll first explain what is this whiteboard? Okay, it's something new. So let's first check updates from the last time. So I was working on login and KYC, know your customer. So I changed it a little bit. If you remember from last time, this part looked a little bit differently, so I consolidated some stuff and used different styles. And I think these use cases are better for the data I'm trying to get here. So I prepared a little prototype. It's a really simple thing. When you click on other, new input will show. That's it. Very pretty. This is done. So I'm gonna start with the editor. Oh, 3 viewers. Hello, thanks for joining. So the brief. I wanted to have Notion-like blocks in email editor. However, developers checked editor.js library that allows this Notion style blocks, but it's a little bit it would be a little bit hard to create custom stuff over that, and we had a whole discussion. So basically what we're gonna do is we are gonna use rich text editor. So the interface will have to look a little bit differently. So I prepared a little bit, some stuff over here, like toggle between rich text and markdown. To be quite honest, I'm not sure if this is the nicest way to do this, but for now I have this switch like this. I don't care about this element right now, I'll fix it. This button is fine. Side panel for tweaking styles, I think it's still fine. We are picking audience, we can add scheduling if we want. If we don't want for email to, get published immediately. And design, well, what I noticed from all the newsletter apps that I used, and I've really created an account on all of them, they really don't have these granular options for, line height and how links will behave and show and all of that. And I want to allow that to users. So we will have that here. Now I noticed that this is regular and this is medium. OCD. We have a first 2 comments. Hello. Came from post to learn some design. Wow. Let's hope you will learn some design. Okay, so we have from editor.js this little part over here that signifies this like blocky blocks style editing. We don't want that. No blocks, so this will cease to exist. Boom. And then, because we need some toolbar for, H1, H2, H3, bold, underline, strike through, and all of that, we need to put that somewhere. I also want that when you hover on certain portion of the text, that these quick actions appear over here as well. So first what we need to do is add this toolbar somewhere. This is something that I have for prototype. Ignore this, I will show you later. Actually, I can show you right now. Let's hope this will not go to hell. So basically that's the point of it. I need to create backlink also from here because now it got lost with copy pasting. Yep, that should do. Ah, focused editing. Nice. Isn't this nice? Can you decrease music volume a tiny bit? Yes, I can. It's also annoying to me. Just a second. Is this better? Yes. All right, so if it's not better, I can just shut it off completely. This is just, you know, because I might not talk the whole time, so I don't want people to be bored, I guess. Okay, let's go back to Figma. I was in my browser for a quick second. All right, so once again, focus, bum, 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 bum. Very, very nice. So toolbar, how are we gonna do this? Let's go to browser for a second. So we want toolbar, toolab, toolbar element. Great. So basically, this is what I want. I will actually copy this thing and put it to Figma. You will not see that because I am copy pasting in secrecy. Okay. Then this one is also interesting, so I'm gonna copy this one as well. One thing that I would recommend to designers who want to work faster, just get that subscription to Mobin. It's really worth it. Let's browse toolbars. Okay, so this is like a attached to editor. Cool. Okay, this is also something that could be used. No, I don't think so. This one wouldn't be useful. Nope. Nope. Skiff Mail. I use that. It's actually quite good service. And you get to put custom domains for free. They're very generous. So for Alvik, this newsletter SaaS app that we are building, we already have that. And I'm gonna code a website with join to waitlist things. If you would like to join a waitlist, can you respond in chat? I would put my email there so I know if this thing is urgent, or I can code it a little bit later. Moving on to toolbars. Well, this is pretty much all the same. Okay, this is interesting. So it's like floaty over here. Interesting idea. Floaty. But if I'm like writing email, blah, 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 and then this is down there, maybe it could work if it's like sticky. Then I can just select something else. And then if I select a portion of text, this toolbar can repeat. Okay, this is interesting. I like that. I will copy this one just for a reminder. Let's see if there's something else interesting here. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, I got the gist. Now we need icons. I use 1.5, 16. Okay, so... Oh my god, this is white. So I need rich text editor stuff. What would that be? Anyone has an idea? Oh, wait. Where is this? Text alignment. Interesting, they have a lot of those. Okay, we will have to create a lot of icons today, which is fine. Let's go to Figma. We have a new comment. Hey, I'm currently working as a product manager. Can you please suggest some resources to learn Figma? Sure. Check my YouTube channel, the one that you're just observing. I have tons of tutorials. They are a little bit oldish at this point, but many still work to this day. Even the super old one, how to hot swap components in Figma, it still works. I still use that shortcut. So you can check my channel. Also, Figma channel is good if you really want to go into intricacies of Figma. Then what else? Yeah, I would actually recommend checking Figma's channel because they do post a lot. They have like internal team that just, you know, farts social media content, not just YouTube content, and they cover a lot of functionalities. They also give like ideas. Hey, this is how you can use our tool. So definitely a good resource. But again, promoting myself, I cover a lot of topics, you know, not how to use interface of a design tool, but principles of design. So it's not just learning Figma means I know how to design. You need to know principles of design and all of these things, and then how to use a tool. Anywho, moving on to designing. Okay. So we have like these toolbars over here. I will just quickly take a little snapshot of this one, because I want to have it like in my face. As a reference. What is this? Some buttons. Meh, I don't need that. Okay, where should we put this toolbar? Should we try with the sticky one? Yeah, I think that would be cool. I remember I did some designs with something sticky, so I'm just gonna reuse that here. Plop. Great. As you can see, I try to have this toolbar, this sticky toolbar for these settings, but I don't know why I decided that's not a good idea. Design stuff was a little bit tricky. I can't remember, but anyways, it was decided to be put on the right side. Okay, so now we need to put all these icons. Maybe this thing can also be in footer. We will try later. These components that I have are not super smart because this is a small team, but I will just repurpose them because I can. I'm the boss of this design, so what can you do? This is ugly. We want fixed, and we want it to be 32 and 32. Great. This is, wow, this is insanity. Yeah, okay, let's start with 12 and then see how this goes. Oh, this is really intense music. You're doing something super intense. Okay, so what icons do we need? Picture. Okay, let's find picture. Let's go to browser. I guess this is fine. Oh wait, just to... Oh no, I need to... Nothing. Talking with myself, let's go back to Figma. Let's make a component. This part will be boring, but hey, this is part of your design journey. What am I using here? Gray light 10, great. Okay, this is image component. Great. Let's put it there, and then we're gonna quickly like bum 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 several more icons. Okay, I will show this swap component thingy. So option command. Is it just option? No, it needs to be option command. Is it just command? I think they changed something. No, option command. And then once you see purple border, you can drop it and it will hot swap it. So this is picture. Hey, maybe we don't need borders. Maybe we can just not have them and then reduce this to 8, 4. Okay, this is much nicer. How do you like it? Oh, new comment. Can you tell us something about the project? Yes! Okay, so this is episode 3, so I'm a little bit already in. So basically the project is, I have buddies who are developers and I'm a designer / developer, and we really want to create a product that we can sell and basically have our company and reach that financial freedom. And because we have all these talents, you know, at one, you know, I'm losing my words. I'm so hungry. Basically, we have all these talents, so it would be a pure waste not to do something with it, right? So I've been trying to kickstart some company for many years now, and recently I started Design Party, my podcast newsletter for designers and, you know, internet link nerds, app nerds. And I made an account for like 10 different services, and I was just appalled how bad it is, how services for sending newsletters are bad. And then it hit me, hey, we can create one. It's not like completely unique and new project, but we can make it like super sexy and nice and actually get there with our company ideas. So I pitched the idea to the boys and they were thrilled and happy, and yeah, so basically that's the whole thing. If you have other questions, please shoot. And I'm documenting our journey, specifically my design journey, through this YouTube channel, and also on posts I share some stuff. And I am hopeful that boys won't be too embarrassed, but I would like to bring them to streaming and maybe talk about business and how we building company and how they make decisions about infrastructure and about costs of services, because, you know, we will have to put some money in, bootstrap it, and, you know, hopefully it will pay off. What was I doing? Aha, picture. What else? Bold. Let's go back to browser. Oh my god. This is not really bold, but okay. It's so disappointing when you decide on icon package or like library, whatever, and then half of icons you want, they're like not the ones you like. We have a new comment. Are you doing this full time still? There is like some stupid icon there, and then I can't. It's or. Still holding a day job. Still holding a day job. I will not touch my day job until this brings me enough money to feel okay, reduce working hours, or completely stop working at my day job. So I'm doing this in my free time, which means I'm very tired. Let's go back to browser. Let's go to italics. And this is a great way to, you know, get new audience, get people to meet your product before it's even launched. You need to be creative in these things today. And I really love sharing knowledge about design and collaborate with designers. So I think this is a win-win for everybody. What else do we need? Strike through. Okay, and heading. Oh, more comments. Thanks a lot, adding your channel to my Figma. Ah, thanks. By the way, how do you research about your... How do you... Why is this shit icon with heart here? This is so stupid. No matter how I stretch this chat window, it's still there. YouTube people, UX. How do you research about your... Okay, so I'm really data driven, so I will scavenge all the data from quantitative to qualitative until I get some understanding. I will ask everybody on the project what up, like what's the history, like tell me everything you know. So I will first gather data to understand what I'm building. Then I'm gonna, you know, sort it in my head, write down some tasks, how I want to approach it. Then I'm gonna create few proposals. I'm using Mobbin to quickly get inspiration, like how others do it, how can I, you know, basically design the interface, and then I'm gonna just boom, few proposals. I'm gonna bring it to team. They will tell me their opinions, and then we're gonna pick, you know, the proposal that we feel most comfortable with, and then, you know, proceed with that. But it really depends, like what kind of research are you referring to. If you have like specific question, please. Cormac, how have you been feeling since you stopped the design video uploads? By the way, I thought they were awesome. Pity you felt it. Well, so I'm sorry for like looking at blank screen, but okay, I will move to Figma so you can see my face. I have been feeling like shit. It destroyed me mentally to realize that this channel that I have been building for a few years will never amount to anything, and it killed me to see, not from jealousy, but it was like, oh, this is so freaking unfair, that some other channels that are doing clickbaity, not that high quality videos, it was quality video, but the value to the user was not, you know, 10 out of 10, are doing so much better than me. Of course, they were putting a lot more videos and everything, but hey, this is not my full-time, you know, job. I was sacrificing a lot of my life to publish all of these videos that I did. You can't even imagine the 10-minute video can take, you know, a week, couple of weeks of your time, especially if you had animations and all of that, and then pay this service, pay that service to make it a little bit faster. It was horrible. And it's super nice to see that you think that they were awesome. I like them as well. Maybe I will do a couple of tutorials here and there, but yeah, this is just like a tweak to that. Maybe this will, you know, make a difference on my channel, these streams and this building company exercise and adventure. Oh, more comments. Oh, this is Q&A. Not stop doing that, please. The content is very new. Yeah, this is why I'm sharing this. I want you to tell me, hey, Antonia, how about this? Can you try that? We did this in first episode. Some people were helping with designs, and actually it improved the quality of design. So if you have any suggestions, just drop them. But finding icons, let's not forget about the icons. What was the other one? Strike through. I can't say that I'm happy how these icons look. I might have to change library just for the toolbar. Hot tip for everyone starting Figma journey: learn shortcuts. How do you spell this? Strike through. Is it? Let me quickly check on Google. Illiterate immigrant. Okay, I checked. Okay, it was good. Boop. What else do we have? Both heading. Whoa. Well, let's copy this one. Let's do this in bulk. I should maybe make hotkeys for OBS. I have this work louder keyboard and this is a bit annoying to click with mouse all the time. That's maybe improvement for next time. How many headings do we need in email? I think 2 is enough. What do you think? So you name your layers? Yes, I name my layers. This way I show dominance. No, I'm just like obsessive about the order. What else do we need? Aha, center text, align text, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's go back to... Oh, by the way, I forgot to change to Figma. I was making components. Center. Then... I wish I could copy in bulk. A comment. Is there any designer that you admire, if any? Yes, I like Kari Saarinen. I think you say it like that. He's a Finnish designer, well known for Linear. He's a CEO of Linear. I had a chance, an opportunity to be in a very private call with him. He also was a lead designer in Coinbase, I think, and in Airbnb. But then he founded Linear. In my previous company, we had like some meetings where, you know, some guests would come to chat about design and somebody knew him, and then Kari like showed up on that meeting, talked about the craft and design and blah blah blah, and then had time for questions. So I sent my question and he answered, and I was very happy puppy. Oof, this is ugly. Let's never have that. And why would you align? Well, I don't know. Let's have it. Ooh, we have 10 concurrent viewers. That's so nice. Oh no, that's the center. Comment. Are you taking inspiration right now from other designs? Yes. So I use Mobbin, and I'm just like going through stuff that makes sense, that like patterns, like to see how other companies' apps like solved certain UX problem with, you know, design and the whole experience and micro interactions. So this is like really great. This is the only tool that I really like to use for inspiration. I like to keep my set very minimal. I don't need to get overwhelmed with everything. I use enough apps as it is. Let's try icons now. So now we have blah blah. Did you remember? I already forgot. Oh my god. That was funny. We can have segments like this. Pictures, headings, alignment. Well, ta-da! Okay, what else do we need? Lists. We need lists and quotes. Okay, let's find those. So we need a list. We need more lists. Where are bullets? Am I blind? Seriously? They don't have bulleted list. Is there some other name for this? Can you drop the link of this music? Sure. What the damn hell? What am I gonna do right now? They don't have bulleted list here. Oh my god. Do I need to change icon set for the toolbar? Oh my god. Please, quickly, drop me high quality icon sets in chat. What do you mean office work? Give me more context. No, am I stupid? Like, this is bulleted list. Oh my god, what a brain fart. Just alt. Maybe we can add more icons like ordered list now and stuff like that. According to you, which has the worst design? Insta, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, Threads. Instagram, I mean, it's pretty decent, like padding, spacings, icons, interactions are really nice. What I don't understand is when you are trying to record yourself and put a filter, there is no easy search. They are missing really a lot here. They could have, you know, nice search for a filter, trending filters, trending this, like for you, blah, blah, blah. But I literally don't know how to find some filter that I like. Twitter. It used to be better and better with every iteration, but since Elon took over, it looks like crap, works like crap. I don't use it anymore. It's dead to me. What's up? Meh. It's a bit clunky. I think Telegram has much better interface, so that's my preferred communication tool. Facebook I don't use. I think their designers made really good job into making everything work together, because Facebook had so many like little things that need to work together that it's probably like a headache to make sure every permutation and everything works together. So I guess their designers did a good job. It's a little bit like toyish childish, but you know, it's a style. It's fine. Threads I never used. I have no idea how that looks. I refuse to make an account there. List. What about TikTok? Used it for 10 minutes. It's a bit much. But it's for different crowd. I'm too old. Way too old for that. See, I don't name all my layers. Look at this. What else do we need? Well, first I need to adjust color. So let's add lists and quotes. More questions. Have you ever did any project on Web3? If yes, then can we have a breakdown? What do you mean Web3? Link. I don't need that. To follow up, tech based on blockchain like crypto trader. No. My best touch with that was investing $20 to Bitcoin, ending up with $10. Have you ever dabbled in other design tools, Frame or Webflow? Yep, did some client projects in Webflow. Excellent tool, would recommend to anyone. It's a bit shit when you need to do like some JavaScript stuff. Oh, it's so clunky, I prefer to code. But yeah, hey, if you want to see what I'm working on right now, let me show you quickly. This is derailing, completely derailing. We are now derailing. I'm coding now. What is this padding? Ugh. I am now coding a new website for Design Party Podcast, which is a great content for you if you're in gym, running, working, or shitting. Isn't crypto that totally? So yeah, I've been coding this today. I have a few hours more left to make it, but anyways, it's gonna have player, and I'm hooking up Notion, so we will have episodes all on our website. So hopefully maybe some sponsor will notice us this year. Who knows? A girl can dream, right? I lost my train of thought. What the hell was I doing? Link. Did I add link? I did. I added link. Okay. Oh, great. Oh, I added this icon before. Horrible. Where is it? Here. And it's called link. Great job, Antonio. There. What else do we need? What if somebody wants to post some code? That's a great idea. No video to go along. Nope. I'm the only one that is not shy of the camera, so it's audio only, unfortunately. It's hard to find people who are not shy of camera. This is the last one. I'm tired of this shit. Oh. Okay, what do you think? Could this work? Is it stupid if it's down there? Should it be up there? What if I... Let's try different proposal. Oh, I made a mess here. Okay, I will just put it here then. Let's for a brief second put toolbar here. It's very long, it won't fit. So if I hover, how would it look? Advice for anyone thinking of... Why is this icon here? Thinking of posting design content like YouTube videos. Design YouTube is not very lively, I have to say. I don't know. Design is like... If you just move pixels, is it really designing? You're just like making UI interface. But if you're talking more about product design, then you know we have broader like scope here. And you need a project in order to show designs. You can't show, you know, your company's designs. That would be illegal probably, and your company wouldn't like that. So you need like a passion project, which takes so much. Like you need to create some UI set, like kit, whatever, or use some design system or build something. If you have capacity to build all of these things, then sure, you can share that. But for me, it seemed like a bit too much time. I have to say, I absolutely hate this corner radius. Okay, 8, great. What if this is blue? not for. Yes. And this doesn't have to be so big. Why is this mixed? Ah, no, this is stroke. Aha, I made it fixed. What the fuck? Aha, because I also... yeah, okay. Well, technically then I can make this a bit. Yeah. The shadow is horrible. But what if I want to fill? Then I have a little bit of empty space here, but then I can boop everything. How does this look? This is not very accessible. What do you think? How does this look? I kind of like it. I don't know. Maybe different. Meh. No. How about without? And then we can position everything on the left. Boom. Let's see how this would work. This is getting messy. How this would work with focus mode. Wait. Where's my focus mode? Here. Okay, so top. Then this thing. What? No, what am I doing? Jesus, I'm so tired. I'm like, I don't need that. This is good. Okay, I'm talking with myself. Moving on. But where do we access focus? Well, let's find that next, but I will just for the time being make it anywhere. Cool. Let's see if it works. Wait a second. Ayo, did I kill the toolbar accidentally? No, I didn't. I just need to adjust. No, but wait, where's toolbar? I killed it. There. This is nice. Okay. Um, how would it look if we would hover something? Do we need that actually? I hovered this. I just realized that Figma doesn't have very simple way to make background. Huh. Well, I can hack it. Oh, I didn't program anything. Great. Yay. I don't know. So we selected this, and then what? Should toolbar appear on top as well? Is that needed? Not sure about that. Let's think about it. But okay, we have it. Editor v2. I like this better, so what? We don't need this hovering thingy then. Forgot to delete that. Yes. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move this. Here. This editor. We'll go here. Da-da-da, this is fine. The next, this is alternative and focused. Should be here. And these two are alternative editor. Okay. Yes, this is great. Okay, so how do we switch between rich text and markdown? Anyone has any idea? Where should that be? Maybe a button here would fit. I'm also thinking for tablet and mobile where this sidebar would go. Well, that's a problem for future Antonia. I don't want to think about it right now. How do we switch between modes? It should be here, but we don't have that much space. So, what are we gonna do? Where are we gonna put this button? Rich versus Markdown. Hmm, hmm, hmm. I don't know. I don't have answer today. That's fine. Analytics is in pretty good shape. I like it. I don't have anything to add. Nobody answered in chat when I asked if I would code a website, design and code a website website for Alvik to tell a little bit about us, about plans, and also input for join waitlist. Would you actually put your email there because you're excited? If anyone is still here, let me know. I'm also thinking for design, is it really necessary to be here? It's probably not. Let's put maybe find a different place for design stuff. Yeah, because if we cut this, yeah, this could be like a design box somewhere else, but where? Because if you set this once, you really don't need to look at it every single time, right? So it would be great if it wouldn't exist here. Maybe these two can be like design button. I don't know. I need to think about this. If you have any ideas, I'm all ears. But anyways, for today, we solved it. We wanted to make a different editor that uses rich text. I think we succeeded. It's 1 hour mark. Oh, a new comment. Are you continuing the product design reviews? Last you did was years ago. Actually, that's a great question. I think I could do it, but the problem is having myself on camera while live streaming something from phone and recording. It's like a lot of little, setups that I need to create. And also I wanted to annotate with my Apple Pencil as I move along, so I don't have to put annotations and arrows in editing software, because that's pain, and that killed me. I was like, I don't want to do that. To hell with that. I just want to have an app, write on screen, put arrow like I'm talking about this, and I didn't find an easy way to do that. If you know some way to do that easily, I would definitely go back to doing reviews, but right now it's just too much work for very little gain. Anyway, I'm gonna stop here. It's 1 minute until my deadline, and thank you so much for joining. This was fun. I'm very happy that a lot more people joined this time. That means that my series is getting more viewers and people like hearing about this. And thank you for all the comments. This was really great. I hope to see more comments next time, and I hope to see more design direction next time. That's all. Thanks for joining, and I guess Chowski, and see ya next time when I have time to design Alvik. Bye.